Hello students, we will be talking about what all is required on the examination day, especially in CAT examination in this video today. Let us understand what is Common Admission Test CAT. The Common Admission Test CAT is conducted by the Indian Institutes of Management as a prerequisite for admission to various management programs for IIMs and other MBA institutes. CAT is conducted in different test centers across the country every year. Let us see what to carry on the examination day. CAT is a big exam in a student's life, so be prepared with all the required documentation a day prior to your CAT examination. The unavailability of required documents at the test site can be very detrimental, as candidates who are unable to produce the required documents are not allowed to sit for the test. For your convenience, here is a list of all the documents you need to carry along with you. Candidates will have to carry their CAT admit card. An original and valid photo identification documents will be required. SC and ST candidates will have to produce a valid document as proof of SC/ST eligibility. Acceptable forms of photo identification are driver's license, passport, PAN card, voter ID card, college ID card supplemented with an ATM, debit or credit card with your name on it, employee identification card, unique identification card or Aadhaar card, notarized affidavit with photo, signature, date of birth and residential address on it. Let us now see what not to carry on the examination day in the examination hall. It is important to know what to carry, but it is equally important to know what not to carry. Candidates will not be permitted to carry any personal items to the test center, including but not limited to wristwatch, pen, cell phones, calculators, etc. Let us go through a few tips which will be useful for the examination day. Every expert will suggest you to be calm in and outside the examination hall. It is very important to manage time in the examination hall. Revise with the help of self-prepared notes. This will help in saving your time. Do not indulge in last-minute discussions. It may lead to confusion. Visit www.jagranjosh.com/MBA for updated study material, previous year question papers, practice papers, tips and strategies, videos and much more to help you for MBA entrance examination preparation.